Wind turbines are characterized by the fact that their construction bears an extremely heavy load. Constant monitoring and maintenance are indispensable. Downtime for maintenance is very expensive. In order to ensure operational safety, 99 fastening bolts must be replaced regularly in each of the 3 rotor blades. This is a hard manual job that previously required 2 specialists and 30 minutes per bolt. The Carl Walter development team has designed a toolkit that allows one person to carry out the work in about 5 minutes per bolt. This is achieved by turning the threaded bolts with a motor and hydraulically extruding the screw fastenings. The tool was completely developed and manufactured in Wuppertal and enables customers to save time and money. The investment will have paid for itself within a very short period of time. Carl Walter, we can solve your tool problems.